To cap almost any type of container closure, Packserv's Auto Capper Pneumatic Timer is perfect unit to consider. Hi, I'm Tim Webster. The automatic cap tightener is capable of tightening any kind of screw-on or push-on closure and can also be used with a trigger pack to tighten pump and mist spray closures. It is designed to mount onto continuously running slat-type conveyors with rates of up to 60 units per minute. The unit features its own photoelectric sensor or whisker switch, detecting the container and initiating machine operation through a timer control unit, which then turns the tightening head, jaws and gate system. The unit's comprehensive yet simple controlling mechanism ensures containers and closure types are adequately and quickly tightened with fast setups and container changeover. And for the operators, a programmable digital timer and pneumatic controls means using it is very easy. More information, go to packserv.com.au. And thanks for watching.